Team Limay now at bat.
Oo nga.
O tara, try natin.
Tanong tanong tagsa.
First pitch, strike. Balls 3, 1 strike. Tarona at pitch,
Da.
strike.
Laban.
Hindi ball.
Oh, SO pa rin.
Oh,
Paano nalalaman yung
at 2 consecutive strike para kay Mr. Tarona. Another pitch. A slider pitch para kay Mr. Tarona.
Apo.
And strike 2 na po tayo. Another pitch.
Tag, tag, tag.
And another out. Mr. Tarona now have 5 strikeout. First pitch strike po. Again, score po natin is 5-0. Top of the second inning and 2 outs. Strikes 2. 2 outs.
Hindi na malaman kung saan dadaling yung bola.
Top of the second inning.
Hindi na nga. Kala kasi niya.
Here comes another throw. Aban.
Ayan na! Kala niya! Ayan na! Ayan na!
Ball. Kasi ano na po eh, 2 outs, strikes 2. Team Limay now has run on first. First pitch, strike.
1,000 daw sa kanila.
Ha?
1,000.
Ayusin niyo yung home run!
Another strike.